Class, please listen. Class, listen to me, please. Please. Come on. Oh my God, class is finally over. No way, no way. Oh my God, class is finally over. We gotta get. Fine. Okay, pack your stuff and go back home, you little frogs.
Teacher, did you forget to bring us our homework?
What's no way? Yo, what's that? What the hell are you talking about? That's just no. No, it's not a Nerf gun. Ah, get out! Get out! I've been good. Help me! Help me! Ah, no way! Yeah! Yeah! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay. You're fine, Simon. It's fine, Simon. Actually, okay, Simon. You're fine, Simon. It's fine. Just calm down. It's okay, Simon. Calm down, Simon. Calm down. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You can stop now, Simon. Some more. It's fine. No. He's gone rogue again. He's gone rogue. Get out. Calm down, Simon. Simon. See my hand? You see? Stop it. Stop it. You stop it or detention for the rest of the year. I bet with you teach, of course I'll stop, but with anyone, nah, screw them, man. Like, just give me one minute, just. Alright, can you just turn around and close your eyes real quick? What? Okay, then. Thanks.
Get out.
Alright, teach, you can turn it back around now. What? Okay. Oh my. What happened? Simon, what did you do with the class? I gave them like ketchup packets. They played with it. Then it got into their eyes. And then when it went through their eyes, it went through the bloodstream, whatever. Kind of like make them pass out. I think it's because of a food coma. Because they also kind of ate a lot of packages. So yeah.